hopefully, I mean free, you can't beat it.
No, it's a great pickup. This game's been around for decades. Is that cool, Penelope? Can you say cool? Penelope, are you having fun with Hungry Hungry Hippos?
Yeah.
Cool. There you go. You gonna feed it? Oh, there you go. I'm trying. Oh. He's eating. Oh, you got it.
Oh,
I know, little girl's getting tired. She just takes it and puts it underneath, huh?
That's what she does.
She just cuts to the chase.
Oh, that's how she plays Hungry Hippos. Well, he's trying to take it from you. The young one wants it.